na si Cyrus, so nabawasan din sila na nabawasan din kami ng isang problema doon sa kabila na nasama na si Cyrus. So yun, nagkasama-sama lang. But you know, that doesn't mean that yung panalo namin ngayon, that means na pwede na kami, we can take things easy, na medyo na-feel namin yung mga butas namin, but doesn't mean that we can take it easy. Kasi kagaya ngayon, hindi ko alam kung paano ang kakayanan ni Noel, because we only have 2 days, but he's been a great, you know, he's a hard worker, and, you know, so the next itong practice, hanapin namin yung strength niya. Yun. Yeah, but it's, you know, it's a good win that we're at 4 now, 4 wins, and hopefully we can get more wins to get to a higher standing before the end of eliminations. Yun.
Special instruction mo ba kay Eric? Usap mo ba siya?
No. I don't have, wala naman akong special to Eric or to anybody else except that we should play hard, we should work hard. Just because we have an import and we have Cyrus, hindi ibig sabihin na time to relax na tayo. Kailangan ma-take natin yung opportunity na to, mas lalo tayong magtrabaho because we've got a real good shot. So, yun. Doble tayo lang. And it helps na nakakapagpahinga si Eric ng matagal-tagal because of a deeper bench now. Like, I don't know how many minutes he played today. Ilang minutes ba siya? Wala pa.
Ano nakaraan? 25 to.
Yeah, so medyo ang mga players ngayon don't play that much minutes because of a very good bench. So nakakapagpahinga sila, so pagpasok nila, very fresh, buo sila ng laro.